Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Today we're going to make General Tso's tofu. Alright, let's get started. Okay, here we have a block of tofu. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to put half away for the next day, and I'm going to use this half for today. So first thing we want is we want it cubed. Alright, the next step, I'm going to toss it in some oil. And then I'll season it a little bit and we'll throw it on a baking sheet and throw it in the oven. I like to put a little salt, pepper, and garlic. And into the oven it goes. 450 for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll get started on the sauce. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of vegetable broth, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, about a half teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. Now we whisk it up until it all gets incorporated. Now we're going to set this aside and I'll be right back. Now we're going to put this into the wok until it thickens up. Let this get warm. Stir it up until it gets thick. Alright, it's getting thick. Now it's time to add the tofu. Now I'm going to also add some broccoli in here. Give it a little color. Now I'll pour it over some leftover buckwheat that I have, and I'll show you the finished product. Here it is. Doesn't it look fantastic? Let's give it a taste. Just like the restaurant. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.